Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up cellular video streaming quality in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner. Then we tap on settings and privacy. Then we scroll down and tap on media quality. And here if we scroll down and until we find the video streaming quality, under cellular streaming quality we can set up we have the option to select from 4 different levels. It's either low, normal, high, or very high, and we can select from these. Of course, a lower quality will mean that the video resolution will be smaller, and the higher that the video resolution is better. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.